It's one thing to send newsletters home and say, you have a partnership with PAA and they're going to be working with your scholars, and it's another thing for parents to come out and actually engage in it.
A family night is when we invite our families into the school to see what their children have been working on with their teachers and with the professional artists from Progressive Arts Alliance.
We're able to do all these fun activities that are academic and really showcase all of this great knowledge that our kids are getting every single day in a fun, eventful, exciting space. Our kids love it, our families love it. We've done screen printing with t-shirts.
Bags that they could take home with them. They were doing marble runs, and they were able to do this right along with their parents.
This upcoming one we have in a few weeks is based on a carnival style theme.
Each grade level comes up and they talk about how ELA, the math, the social studies, and the science was all integrated within that project.
So we'll be able to showcase some different exciting things, but also showing how all of these components work together and how that knowledge base is actually used in the classroom.
Also, on our family nights, we always try to have a hands-on exhibit for our families in which we get everyone involved. It becomes part of the permanent installations within the building.
We built a gigantic dragon out of recycled materials because our school theme was conservation. Parents, alongside with the students, worked together to build the dragon, to tie all these plastic bags together and sculpt the dragon.
You just have this really amazing hands-on experience that we would not otherwise have. I mean, we can try, but it's not to the level that Progressive Arts Alliance allows us to go.